Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Versatile Mithul. Thanks again for coming back to my channel. So today we are driving in a cab till the Bengaluru airport. I'll also show you some glimpse of the Bengaluru airport, but I'll make a more detailed video of right now what is the situation and how the things are inside the aircraft as well. So we'll start with this is an Ola cab which we booked, and you can see there is a shield separating the driver and the passengers. Moreover, not more than 2 passengers are allowed in a cab right now. So if you are traveling with your friends or family, please make sure you are not more than 2 people to board the Ola cab. For that matter, I guess it should be for all the cabs. But yeah, I'll also tell you in this video what all other difficulties that you might have to face if you're traveling right now. So as a disclaimer, I would like to say it is not at all safe to travel right now. Please avoid traveling. In my case, I had to travel because of work. It was very urgent. That is the reason I thought why not record a video, so that if you are planning to travel or if you are thinking what is the situation right now, whether I should travel or not, this video might help you understand the same and what all precautions you should take. So from this place till the Kempegowda International Airport, Bengaluru Airport, it was 52 kilometers and 1 hour 14 minutes it was showing on maps. This is the place which I shot my last video about, place to hang out during weekend with friends and family, the Star Market that you saw right now. This is Gunjur village. As you can see, the roads of Bangalore, as usual, 90% of the roads were under construction and rest 10% is mixture of this and some nice road as well, no doubt. So when you reach near to the airport, the roads are very nice, but before that it's like pathetic. And our cab driver had to stop the cab because he thought that the cab is puncture, but thankfully it was not. But we thanked him for that, and he was very careful about informing us why he's stopping the cab. So I thanked him for that as well. And we were having conversations with the Anna who's driving the cab right now, and he said that there are not more passengers as of now for the airport. That itself shows you that people are not traveling right now that much, which is again a good sign. When we boarded this cab, I just took a tissue and some gel sanitizer because spray can be really dangerous if you're spraying using the spray sanitizer in any vehicle. For that matter, it is dangerous is what I feel. So I just took some tissue and some gel sanitizer and sanitized the seat a little bit and the door handles and all. Even though that they say that after every travel they do sanitize the cab, but I still take that precaution from my end. So you can see the weather was beautiful. The only disadvantage in the cab was that because of that shield which is separating the driver and the passengers, they could not switch on the AC. Or maybe that is again one of the policies, because if you are switching on the AC, there's no point in separating the driver and the passengers. So this shield was the thing which was a little suffocating. For me at least, I'm a little claustrophobic, so this was a little suffocating. So he opened the window shades a little bit. So this is close to the airport. As you can see, the roads are very nice over here. Whenever I'll find flowers, I'll definitely record it off. So this is the airport road, like close to the airport. But otherwise the roads were pathetic, as I said. So first precaution is to sanitize the cab on your own. Do not use a spray sanitizer. The second thing is that just make sure that you are not more than 2 passengers, because they are not going to onboard you in that case. The third thing is that if you are claustrophobic like me, and that too on top of that you are wearing a face mask and a face shield, it is gonna be really suffocating. So make sure you are ready, mentally prepared for this, because this is tiring. By the time I reached the airport, I was like half dead. Like, how I'll travel any further in the aircraft. That was the feeling. So please, again I'm repeating it, do not travel if it is not really very urgent or it is not an emergency. Avoid traveling right now. So friends, this was my first trip after 7-8 months after the pandemic came in. This is the first time I am driving in any cab. So this is the road near to the airport, which is no doubt very pretty, very beautiful because of the plants, the flowers. And if you guys follow my channel, you might know that I am a fan of nature. I just love nature. I'll record trees, flowers, I don't know, some rivers and all. I just love nature and I love recording it. Also guys, there's one feedback I want from you. I record all of my videos till now using my iPhone. I still do not have a camera to record video. I am planning to buy one, so if you have any suggestions, please comment in the comment box below. So here and all, there's some construction that's going on, and that's the airport. We are soon gonna reach the airport, and you'll see some glimpse after we'll get out of the cab how they have maintained, or how at least they are making that attempt to maintain social distancing, although people do not follow it. Many people do not follow it. I really hope and I request all my viewers to please wear a face mask at all times whenever you are at public places. Also, please maintain social distancing. So this is the airport. We are going to reach the parking area. Thank you, sir. After sanitizing our hands, we are moving ahead to collect our boarding pass. My hubby will collect it and I'll record this video for you guys. He's very sweet. So you can see the green markings on the floor, that is used to maintain social distancing. Also, nowadays you are not supposed to give your identity card to the police officials. They'll just see it from far away and they'll ask you to remove your mask and see your face. Additionally, in Bengaluru airport, they have kept a counter wherein they are recording your face for security purpose, of course. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please hit on the like button, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.